Professor Yunus, it's an absolute honor for Mukesh and me to convey our heartiest congratulations to you on the momentous occasion of the 10th anniversary celebrations of your Nobel Peace Prize. You are a guiding star for all humanitarian and social causes all over the world. It was a joy and privilege for Mukesh and me to meet you earlier this year at the Rio Olympics and listen to your inspirational address at the IOC. The entire Reliance Foundation team joins me in conveying our heartfelt admiration for the phenomenal impact of the Grameen Bank. This movement has helped in transforming the lives of millions of people in Bangladesh and other parts of the world. May your mission to serve humanity continue to inspire us and the generations to come.
আমাদের ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে লাইক এবং শেয়ার করুন। কমেন্ট সেকশনে গিয়ে জানান আপনাদের মতামত। আরো ভিডিও পেতে আমাদের চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।